Hello, my name is Emma Modis and I'm a sophomore and I'm going to read to you about comets and meteors. The first chapter is called Look Up. What has a head, two tails, and shoots across the sky? It's a comet. A comet's head is a giant chunk of ice, rock, and dust. Its two tails are trails of dust and gas. Explore comets and other wonders as they zip through space. Comets look like dirty snowballs. They come from their far edges of the solar system. Most comets travel around the sun. Their path is called an orbit. The sun's light makes comets shine. A comet heats up as it's near the sun. Most of the nucleus, a comet's icy center, stays solid. Ice on the comet's surface turns to gas. A fuzzy comet forms. The comet is a cloud of dust and gas. It stretches out and forms long tails. The next chapter is From Comets to Meteors. The sun causes chunks of a comet to blow off. These pieces of rocks and dust float in space. Sometimes they get close to Earth. The pieces burn up in the atmosphere, the blanket of air around Earth. They make streaks of light called meteors. Meteors are called falling stars, but they are not really stars. They are burning bits of space dust. Most nights you may see a meteor, or two streaks across the sky, but sometimes the sky lights up with hundreds of flashing meteors. This is called a meteor shower. These light shows happen when Earth crosses the path of a comet's debris. The sky is falling. Many comets break apart when they near the sun. Pieces of comets that continue to fly around space are called meteoroids. Space debris that hits Earth is called a meteorite. Yep. Large meteorites are very rare. Most are bits of dust, pebbles, or small rocks. And in Antarctica, people can spot meteorites on snow-covered ground. Scientists think that comets may have crashed into Earth billions of years ago, bringing water and gases to our planet. The comets help form our oceans and air. They carried some of the basic building blocks of life. Without comets, we might not be here. The next chapter is Eye on the Sky. Another very big meteorite may have crashed into Earth 65 million years ago. The explosion would have shot a huge cloud of dust into the air and blocked the sun's light. Many species on Earth died. Could a large meteorite strike Earth today? Scientists use telescopes to keep an eye of flying space objects. If a giant meteoroid was headed toward Earth today, scientists would take action. They might use rockets to nudge it off course, or they might blow it up in space. Scientists watch the night sky for comets and meteors, and so can you. This is the Comet Hall of Fame. The end.